Alright, so in a few minutes, with the wonderful ability to edit video, I am going to be making, for the first time, macaroni and cheese. It was a recipe recommended to me by a good friend of mine. She sent me pictures of the recipe over Facebook from whatever cookbook she has it from. So it actually sounds like it's pretty easy and going to be pretty good. So even though we have everything in the apartment here for ingredients to make it, I'm going to go out and get them anyways because I haven't contributed anything to the grocery bill and I don't want to cause unnecessary tensions yet. So, and that's, as you can probably gather, something that hasn't been discussed yet. So, excuse me. I'm going to go out and get the stuff now. When I come back, then we'll get started. Okay, so this macaroni and cheese recipe, which seems a bit different to me, not that I've made a whole heck of a lot, but I've never seen it with onion before. It says 1 onion, 6 ounces of American cheese slices, which I've calculated out to be 10 slices of cheese, 2 cups of rotini or elbow macaroni, half a cup of skim milk, all we have is whole, and that's what I'm going to use, and a dash of pepper, which I may or may not use. You also need for this a cutting board, knife, measuring cups, saucepan, colander, hot pads, wooden spoon. It says cut onion into small pieces, which should be up to about 1/4 of a cup. That looks like more than 1/4 of a cup to me, but I actually can't find a measuring cup other than that one there, and I'm not sure exactly where, like what's liquid measure, what's dry measure, so I'm just going to wing it, and if there's too many onions, there's too many onions. I've got a saucepan ready for the macaroni, and yeah, I'll show you what's next. In an effort to make this video as real as possible, I'm going to admit the fact that I screwed up. Apparently you're supposed to get the water boiling before adding the pasta, but it's too late now, so hopefully it doesn't make that big a difference. I've got my cheese slices ready. They're pretty soft, so I don't think I'm going to even need to tear them apart. I mean, I just touched that and look, there's a little noodle right there. So yeah, once that's done, if it doesn't get screwed up too bad, then drain that, add this, add the pepper, and I think it's good to go. Yep. So, see you in a minute. Okay, sorry about the noise. I got the fan on. I'm about to empty the saucepan into the colander. I hope it all fits. It says in the instructions to put the colander in the bottom of the sink, but there's dishes in the sink. I'm going to run the cold water, that way the hot water doesn't warp the pan that's in there. I gotta clean this kitchen. tomorrow. So it's going to be close. Something wrong with this drain. It's not a shitty apartment by any means. I just think there's been too much water. Too much food put down the drain. Alright, so that's that. Next. Yep. Use wooden spoon to stir in cheese, milk, and pepper. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, half a cup of skim milk. Alright. So I'm going to get my half a cup of milk. I'm just winging it with this, because I really don't know. Almost forgot about it, because I'm so focused on the cheese. It's more like 3/4 of a cup, but whatever. Medium heat. Turn the burner back on. Put on a couple pieces of cheese. Get an angle here. Sorry for the bad angle. I don't know where my small tripod is. I guess maybe I should rip this up into smaller pieces. I think I'll do that real quick. I thought it would just melt, but I guess not. I'm feeling this is going to be actually pretty good. I don't know about what the onions are. I think I said it a few minutes ago, I actually have extra cheese in this because the packet is 24 slices. So I figured I'd just use half a packet. That way if I do make this again, I'll just use half a packet and then that'll be all gone. Unless it's too much. Which, we'll see. Oh, this smells freaking delicious. Oh my. If anybody wants to know why I didn't use the orange cheese, is because we actually have orange cheese, but I know it tastes the same, but I didn't want to use it because this is a lot of sliced cheese. Oh shit. And the kids like the orange cheese, so I don't want to take it away from them. I suppose I could have gone out and bought my own, but I want to, if I have to buy my own stuff, make it different enough that you just know whose it is by looking at it. My roommate is my cousin, if I didn't say it earlier. She's lived here for a few years with roommates in and out. And I'm sure she had measuring cups at some point, but the last roommate stole a bunch of stuff when she was moving out. Ice cube trays, glasses, dishes, cookware. So we'll have to figure something out to replace all that. It smells like something's burning. Look at that. That looks awesome. Some of the cheese has to melt some more, and then I'm gonna dig in. Alright, so there's the finished product. I've had a couple bites. It's good. I think I would use a little less milk, because it seems kind of runny, but yeah, it tastes good. So we'll see what culinary disaster I get into tomorrow. I may just order a pizza tomorrow night, because I've got to clean the shit out of this kitchen, and so at that point I'm not going to feel like cooking, and it's going to be Friday night anyway, so I might as well. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope if you make this, you enjoy it. And yeah, I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.